Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about the Beauty Blender Redew Set and Refresh Spray. So Beauty Blender has been on a roll lately. They came out with a foundation and of course they have so many different types of beauty blenders, and now they're going into the setting spray world. So there's something special about this spray, and it is that it not only will set your makeup but it will also refresh your makeup. So I just wanted to put this to the test right now. I didn't set my makeup today. All I have is some setting powder on, but I wanted to refresh my makeup and try out this spray because I just worked up a sweat doing my hair, and to be honest I don't even like it that much. I should have just worn a wig, but I was like, I'm gonna curl it and tease it and do all these waves, and trust me, I was like sweating doing my hair. Like, it's a full body workout to do all these curls and then brush it out. Whatever, we'll get into that another time. Anyways, since my makeup is all oily and cakey now, let's just go ahead and try this out for the first time. I grabbed a couple of these setting sprays from the Beauty Blender event that I was luckily invited to in Miami. There were so many influencers there. I tried so hard not to fangirl, but Trend Mood was there, The Fashion Freak, JD Wadey, Mac Daddy. I was like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. Like, everybody that's anybody in the beauty world was there, and it was so fun because there was roller skating, tons of beauty blenders. So I did grab an extra beauty blender and an extra setting spray for one of my lucky subscribers, and I'll link all of the giveaway rules down below for that one. But let's just go ahead and try out this product right now. So I love how this comes out. It's literally like a mist. If you can see how it's just a light, nice mist. It's not gonna attack your face and catch you off guard. I know a lot of people can jump when they spray their setting spray because you don't know when it's gonna hit you. So this is just like a nice mist for your face. So what I'm gonna do is spray this on my face, and then I will tap everything in with this beauty blender that conveniently matches the bottle. Okay, so this was round one. I do want to say there's literally no scent to this product, which is awesome because scents are very subjective. Some people think it smells really good, some people might think it smells really bad. This one has no scent, which means it's probably very hypoallergenic. It's probably very unlikely that you're allergic to it because usually when people are allergic to a product, it's the fragrance. So I did one round. I feel like I didn't get enough, so I'm just gonna go ahead and drench my face in it this time. I just did like a light mist. It was not enough, so let's try this again. Okay, this time I feel like it really worked. I can even tell in the viewfinder because I keep looking at myself in it. It gave me like a nice glow. Like, I'm glowing, I look dewy. I don't look dry, I don't look flaky. It's just like a nice dewy glow. And I also noticed that my makeup looks more fresh, so I really like that. So that is my first impressions on the Beauty Blender Redew Set and Refresh Spray. Once again, I did grab an extra beauty blender and an extra spray for one of my lucky subscribers, so I'll go ahead and link all of the rules for that giveaway down below. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.